Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to our channel. Thank you for joining in today's video. In today's video, we are in Alleppey. So you can see how Alleppey looks like. Look at the ambience. Here, the water beside the house is full of water everywhere. Even the house are beside water only.
What's
So
the channel name, ma?
it's Vedhyam Family Vlogs.
Okay.
Please do subscribe, huh?
Sure. We'll do subscribe. Okay.
So now we are on the way. It's a bumpy ride. This is so amazing. You can see the small boat. You can see fishermen.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is a starting point, Chinamma.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at how this man is coming.
Zoing.
Yeah. So now we have parked our car. Now we are on the way to our private boat house. We booked a private boat house and it cost us around 14,000 for 2 BHK, and if someone is looking for 1 BHK it will be around 8 to 9K. This is the bridge to go to the boat house. Look at how excited I am. I feel so good looking at the boat, looking at the river, looking at the trees. Everything is just so soothing.
See this scene.
Yeah.
Hi, Nana.
Nana is telling hi to us.
Chinamma, one more thing. Guys, generally if you are coming on off season, kind of any other like maybe summer season, maybe a weekday, something like that, the cost will not be this much, like 14 to 15,000, 16,000. So it will be around 10 to 12K also it will be there. So for 2 BHK. So because the moment when we we were in Alleppey, this is a season like New Year and Christmas, post Christmas, so they have increased the prices. So that's the reason for us it costed around 14,000 for one day. So for that you guys have to look at the houses here, ma. Chinamma.
Yeah. Their old house. Look at that boat going.
Oh, that is also one of the private boat house. Yeah. So I guess like generally for 2 BHK, like the ride will be like initially we have to reach this near to the boat. See, this is the other one. So this see, oh wow, Chinamma. Oh, that's our boat. That's our boat. Hoo-hoo.
Yeah.
He's the owner. That blue shirt guy. He's the owner of the boat.
So this is our private boat for one day. Water lily. I'm so excited, super excited. I haven't seen something like this before. That too, staying in a boat. Oh wow, amazing. Now Nana is going up. He's a little anxious how to climb up. Look at me, how excited I am. Now it's time for Amma to go up. So the guy in the blue shirt, he's the owner of the boat. So if you guys are planning, please put in the comment section. We'll add his number, or you can contact us. We'll give you his number if in case you guys are planning to go to Alleppey. We are taking our luggage as well. Now it's time for my husband to climb up. Haha.
Who is your husband, ma?
My husband is Mr. Yashwa. Yeah, so now we are going to see our rooms. So this is the first room of Amma Nana. Look at it. It's so good. It doesn't feel like you are in a boat room, or you are in boat house or something like that. It just feels like home. So cozy, so comfy. You have AC, you have fan, you have a nice bathroom as well. Also we have dressing table, dressing room, nice cozy room. So this is the first room. Now Look at the ambience. It's just so beautiful.
This is bike bag.
breathtaking.
First room
This is another basin area. Now this is the second room, which was our room. Look at it, so good. It's so cozy. It's so nice. We have AC as well because in Alleppey it's too hot. Too hot. This is nice, neat and clean washroom. It just feels like home. You don't feel like you are in a boat until unless you go out.
Bike
and
bag. This is my
husband
hand wash room.
recording.
This is my bike bag.
Now we have this was the first floor. Now we are going to the second floor. This is double deck boat, which is the best part. If in case, a tip for you guys, if in case you guys are booking a boat house, please opt for double deck. Then only the view is amazing. If it's single deck, it's not that good. If it's double deck, it's just amazing. You are gonna enjoy it more, and the view is gonna be so soothing, so amazing. So always opt for like
who is the
2
owner
floors
of this
or
boat
you
for
can
one
say
next
double
one day?
deck or something like that.
Oh.
Woohoo!
Hey, Budankai.
Amma is also super
Budankai.
happy. Look at her.
ఎంతలా ఉన్నావు చూడు గండు ఎంతలా ఉన్నావు చూడు
Yeah, bala. Show, show.
దో
So
డైనింగ్ టేబుల్ పైన కూర్చోబో
this is a eating dining area. We have fan as well if in case we feel hot in afternoon.
నాన్న వచ్చా హీరో వచ్చా హీరో
We thought of
Hero
sitting
entry
here for a while and
Dining table, hero.
experience the
నాన్న ఇది డైనింగ్ టేబుల్ ఇది సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ లో
climate,
ఆహా
the view.
సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ 2 ఫ్లోర్స్
Nana is looking. What is this? Where am I? He is super surprised and excited, and he was
Nana,
thrilled
photo?
by seeing the boathouse.
బాగుందా రూమ్లు
actually.
బాగున్నాయా
After he came to up, he didn't went down for I guess almost
రెండు
2-3
రూములు
hours. He was in up only. He was just amused by the view, by the ambience, by how the boat is. He was just so happy. So guys, please do take your parents as well on Alleppey boat house. They're gonna love it. They're gonna enjoy every bit of it. It was worth the money overall going to a boat house. And also, I mean, after being in the boat house, Alleppey is my favorite destination to visit. It's kind of like I'm not over of this place. I'm like I wanna go again. When can I get to go?
किचन उस साइड किचन वेलकम ड्रिंक्स
So this is lemon juice. Emma is
lemon
skeptical.
lemon
What
dana?
juice is it? Because she wants pure
Nana put.
vegetarian wherever she goes.
नाना तो
Now he's serving to Nana. Nana is rubbing to take the drink. Yeah. So they gave us a nice welcome drink. Yes, Nana. Up the chef. Also, our boat is gonna start. Currently, they have tied it to a tree. So before taking it out, they are gonna whatever they have tied, they will remove it, and then they are gonna start the boat. So that guy is removing the.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Jayant. He's introducing
So Jayant is
himself
taking us
to-
for the boat ride
He
for
knows
one
Hindi
day.
as well.
पेमेंट करना है
Now they are tying the rope in the boat after removing from tree. They'll tie to a tree in order to support the boat so that the boat should not move here and there. So now as the boat is moving, they have removed it. So he's the driver of our boat house. Nana, Amma, Yashwant are enjoying drink and shooting, and also seeing how the boat works, how are they gonna ride. They have clutch gear as well in order to take back, front, left, right. And ta-da! Ta-da! Oh, my husband is enjoying a drink. Also, he's super tired. He's driving for the last 4-5 days continuously day and night.
हमारा boat ride start हो रहा है.
Look at these boats. They are
So
also
many
private
boats over
boats.
here.
They are going on their way. Oh, wow.
कैसा था ड्रिंक?
अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है.
ओके.
हाँ,
हाँ. हाँ.
तुम सुनता है नील काटता है
हाँ. हाँ, एक सेकंड.
నేను అడుగుతున్నా ఇంతే కదా.
వి టర్నింగ్ कर रहे हैं.
సాయంత్రం 5:30 వరకు తీసుకెళ్తా మళ్ళీ ఆపుతాడు మళ్ళీ రేపు పొద్దున్న మళ్ళీ రోడ్ వేస్తాడు వేరే చోట.
అందుకే వెనకాల ఉన్నారండి.
Oh, that boat has 5 rooms. That's a big boat. I guess that's a public ferry. The one which we have booked, it's a private ferry. So it starts from 11 o'clock in the afternoon, and then they'll drop you at 9 a.m. in the morning next day. So I'm super excited and thrilled. Woohoo! So many boats, so many boats. Our boat is moving.
इधर देखो अम्मू. हाय. इधर.
Hi, this is the kitchen. Our chef for one day.
You're coming from
Andhra.
Andhra.
Yes.
Madam,
हाँ. हिंदी आता कौन?
on the way, the Ayurvedic massage center available here.
हाँ हाँ.
You want, then you part.
Okay. What's the price for that?
Price, normal price.
How much?
You speak first.
Okay. Which language you know?
I only speak English
Okay.
and Malayalam.
Okay.
Thoda,
इंग्लिश में.
हाँ,
अच्छा. इंग्लिश समझे.
तभी तरीका करते.
हाँ मैं तेरे हूँ. So this is the back side of the boat. हाँ.
अरे भद्र चिन्ह.
अभी आप लंच बना रहे हैं? You are making lunch?
Lunch.
What is there for lunch today?
Lunch,
Beans का. Beans.
beans, पुरीरे, सांबार,
हाँ हाँ.
तोरन,
हाँ.
रसम.
बस.
ठीक है.
You're pure vegetarian?
Yes, pure veg. Brahmin.